Tank 300 Galaxy Battleship surrounds the roof spotlight installation video. Step 1. Install the spotlights first. Iron brackets are installed on both sides. Screw fixing. Reapply adhesive. Paste double-sided tape. Left and right spotlights and connecting cables are plugged in. Fixed line. Step 2. Compare the installation location. After connecting the battery test light to normal, clean the body paste and apply adhesive aid. Clean the body paste and apply adhesive aid. Step 3. Tear part of the double-sided tape on both sides. Use to locate and paste. Then tear off the rest of the double-sided tape. Repeated compression. Step 4. Fix the line. Put back the front cover. Installation complete. Warm reminder, do not touch water within 2 days after installation. Low temperature in winter. Heat the paste with an electric baking gun first. Reapply adhesive aid. Stick double-sided tape. Paste firmer.